Once again, we are at the Tompkins Steam Show / Freedom Festival, which that's the popular term for the things these weekends. So we got a few more cars back here, more back there. Check that out. Those mules from Mason. That. You see Clarkson's Farm use one of these bad boys. Assuming these guys over here in line are to do the tractor pull. Oliver Farmall, kinds of different eras of tractors. There goes the tractor doing a pull. Oliver. It's interesting. Super 77 Oliver. Very cool. A bunch more over there. There goes our steam tractor.